What's up, everybody? We're back, and it's time for a dessert. We got Mr. Beast's Feastables, and we're gonna try the creamy chocolate hazelnut and see what it's about. We're gonna find out if this is truly the best chocolate in the world. You got the beast symbol. It's kind of hard to see, but it is indeed a true Feastables made by Mr. Beast. The best chocolate in the world. About to find out. It's a lot of chocolate. Pretty rich. I don't think it's as good as the cookies and cream Feastable, but it's not bad. If you like creamy chocolate, it's a lot of chocolate. So I got this the other day, put it in the refrigerator with a freezer, so it's a little bit chilled. And yeah, it's definitely rich in chocolate. So shout out Mr. Beast, shout out the Feastables. You already know Kevin Eats.